so today's body transformation tip is going to be all about weight loss, and you guys are making me nuts. I'm telling you, nuts, because it's really not that complicated. Everybody wants to count calories, macros, points, all that stuff. But here's the thing. You're going to really mess with your body. And when you mess with your body, then guess what? You're going to get some kind of fat on your body that you can't get rid of. And so people come to me all the time and they're like, I want to lose weight. I don't understand it. I'm trying to eat right. But I went on this diet last time and this diet the other time and this other diet the other time, and they are not working. Well, they're not working because maybe you're missing something, or maybe you just don't want to listen to something. So here's the thing about weight loss. I'm going to try to keep this as simple as I possibly can, okay? Your body has an internal time clock. And I wish it started January 1st because it would make life so much easier, but it doesn't. It just kind of, we have this internal time clock. It lasts about a year. So with that said, what our body tries to do is it tries to make sure that we have everything that we need to sustain a certain amount of weight. So let's just say in theory, you're 150 pounds. So your body's doing everything in its power to make sure that it can feed 150 pounds of you, or the person next to you, or maybe the person down the street. I don't know. But anyways, so your body's working real hard in that. So then all of a sudden you decide, oh, you know what? Let me go on a quick weight loss diet, or let me do a fad like fast and see if I can just like lose all this weight really quickly. Well, okay, great. You lost that weight, but here's the thing. Your body was like, whoa, wait a minute. I'm supposed to sustain a 150-pound person. And I felt deprived. I didn't have enough nutrients. I didn't have enough of anything I needed to do. So guess what I'm going to do? The next time she eats like her normal food, I'm going to add in a couple of extra pounds and just try to save them. So let's say you lost 10 pounds. Guess what? When you started eating normal again, you gained 20. And the reason is your body decided, you know what? I'm going to have a little buffer kind of stashed in on the side there just in case this fool decides they're going to do it again. And then guess what? You go on another fad quick weight loss diet and oh my God, you gained another 5, 10, 15 pounds. And you're wondering what's going on. There must be something wrong with my thyroid. That's all I can think about. No, it's not that. It's that you deprived your body. So what does your body need, guys? Really, listen up, listen. Your body needs nutrients. So here's what you got to do. Don't think about like cutting calories, cutting macros, counting all this kind of stuff, whatever. What I want you to do is I want you to enrich the nutrient-rich foods in their natural state, not processed. If you were to minimize, I promise you, do a little test. Get rid of all the processed foods and stick to fruits, vegetables, and good quality proteins for 2 weeks, 3, whatever, and you'll lose weight. Lots of water, good quality proteins, no processed foods. The processed foods is really what's kicking our tushies here, okay? I don't care if that processed item is a cracker that's fat-free, sprouted, blessed by the Pope, the whole 9 yards. It still has the right to be stored as fat. And that's where I see people, they're having too many sugars. So sugar, flour, dairy, and alcohol, you have way too many of those sugars and your body's going to start storing. Even though some of those sugars say 0 grams of fat on the food label, guess what? They're going to go in. So here's what you're going to do. Today, it's all about nutrients. I have another weight loss tip, but that's going to come another day. But for this one, it's about increasing your nutrient density with everything that you consume. Okay, you are eating for fuel. That's all, not comfort, socialization, and the thing you do when you break up with a mate. You are strictly eating for fuel. So today, think about it. Think about what you're putting in your mouth. Put foods in that are going to actually enrich your system, make you stronger, okay? And guess what? You'll lose weight. Drink a lot of water too, okay? Have a great day. Bye.